So thanks to you all for watching those Mars live streams. I was so amazed by looking the Mars up close. Not only the people who are watching my live stream, I'm actually surprised myself just looking at how close, like we are looking at Mars. I mean, I know it is like several million miles away, but when you are looking at it with all those surface details, which is kind of a rare event to watch. Also, by the way, talking about Mars, I'm actually going to present like my learnings from Mars on Astro Imaging channel. So I definitely recommend you to check it out. It is coming on November 15th. If you are watching my channel a month ago, you must have noticed I put a video on the Asteroid 2018 VP1, like Vice President 1. Yesterday, Neil deGrasse Tyson, he said this asteroid is going to give a buzz cut to the planet Earth, for Earthlings. I guess, yes, it is coming closer. It is coming almost as close as like 7,000 miles, which is one of the estimate. And it is zipping like 24,000 miles or so as fast as it can, doing the buzz cut to the Earth. It's very small. It is almost like 6 feet in diameter. So people think of like probably a size of a refrigerator or something. But we didn't see this asteroid before. We only saw it once. We saw that in 2018 because it comes every 2 years closer to Earth. So it came in 2018 and it is coming back in 2020 closer. So this time there is a 0.41% chance that it might hit Earth, but it is very small. It's going to burn up in the atmosphere if it does come. And also it is passing the Pacific Ocean, on top of Pacific Ocean. NASA landed successfully today, like few minutes ago, on asteroid Bennu. Not only now we are actually traveling to an asteroid, but we are landing our equipment there. I think we did a touch and go couple of times. We did rehearsed it, and now finally we were able to land. So if we can land an asteroid, definitely, if we have to deflect the asteroid, we should have that capability. Or if we have to mine an asteroid, we can have that capability as well. So I brought in my RASA telescope because I'm thinking of taking some pictures of galaxies and also taking some pictures of asteroids and comets. So I wanted to make sure everything is ready to go. I put a sharp star on top of it, which is one of the triplets. Actually, this is a telescope by itself, but I am using currently as a guide scope, and this is RASA 11, Celestron RASA 11. So yeah, I'm working on taking a good picture of Andromeda Galaxy for now. Thanks for watching my channel, and thanks for all the new subscribers who came to this channel. If you are new to this channel, I do astronomy talk. I do live sessions on planets or comets or asteroids. I take pictures of deep space objects. I do varieties of things related to astronomy. So if you are interested in these videos, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.